Hello, financial fans. Friday the 13th, and it's been a good Friday the 13th for me financially. My portfolio today, Friday the 13th, performed pretty well. It is up 3.34%. That might be the biggest up day, single up day in the history of my investing. It was a good amount of money in value, and certainly a good percentage of value increase. And the Nasdaq index was up more than 3.33%. Nasdaq is up 3.81% as of today, and the Dow Jones Industrials up 1.46, about 1.5%. And the S&P 500 is up 2.38% today, Friday the 13th. Good trading day. We have no idea what Monday will bring. But I've been looking at the stocks and the performance here at, I have TD Waterhouse as my broker, and they have a lot of information for me. Two of the things that they show real quickly, if I want to look at them, my top 8 holdings and the biggest 8 movers. And so the top 8 holdings, BTI, that's a British Tobacco, was up 3.41% today, and it is 6% of my portfolio. Verizon was up 0.25% today, and that's 5% of my portfolio. And I have about 70 stocks, so 5% is a lot of percentage of the portfolio. Citigroup was up 2.31% for me today, 5% of my portfolio. And RTX, Raytheon, starting to hear the war drums perhaps, but whatever it is it's 4% of my portfolio, and it was up 0.5%. XOM is Exxon Mobil, up almost 3% for me and 4% of my portfolio. And here's NIO, N-I-O. I have high hopes for NIO. Some people probably sold NIO when it was tanking, and it might tank again. I'm planning on holding on to NIO for several years. Today it was up 9.23%. and it is 4% of my portfolio. And NVS was up 0.5%, and it is 4% of my portfolio. And what is this one? This is 4% of my portfolio. Up 2% is VALE, Valet, or however it is pronounced. The other story here, the biggest 8 movers, the stocks that moved most for me today. LCID, Lucid, that's another electric vehicle stock. LCID moved 14.78% upwards today. BNGO, that's bio, whatever it is, the medical type stocks, BNGO, up 13.5% today. Here's ARK, my ARK ETF funds, exchange traded funds. The ARK that has been such a drag on the entire portfolio for a long time. ARK came alive today. ARKF was up 12.38%, and it's less than 1% of my portfolio. The same with ARKK, it's up 11.8%, 1% of my portfolio. And all of the ARKs are 1% of my portfolio or less. BETZ up 6.71%, ARKW up 11.53%, WKHS, that's Workhorse, that's the electric vehicle, a truck. I think that company is going to be doing well. I think I'm down about 90% on WKHS, but today it moved up 10.5%, less than 1% of my portfolio. ARKG up 9.62%, less than 1% of my portfolio. So if there were a few more days like today that happen to come along, that'll be nice for me. And if not, I shall be patient and wait, and I will buy low and sell high, and I hope you're able to withstand the terror that comes from looking at the numbers on those down days. Be patient, and what I'm looking forward to is 2024. I intend to hold stocks at least till then. After all, I'm still a young man. And 2024, there's going to be an election. Going to be a lot of promises made. Maybe even some that will be kept. So, patience, my friend, buy low, sell high, and thank you for watching.